Exercise 8.3, question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find profit percentage or loss percentage in each case. So to solve numericals from this exercise 8.3, we have to remember three formulas. First formula is when we are finding profit percentage. We have to remember this formula in which the profit we should know the cost price, and that we will multiply with 100. In that case, we will get to know the profit percentage for that numerical. If I am buying a pen at rupees 5, so my CP, that is cost price, will be equals to 5. If I am selling this pen, so that will be SP at rupees 7. So I am profiting for rupees 2, selling price is 7 and cost price will be 5. So the original price at which we have bought the product, that will be our cost price. So this is first formula. Second formula is this, that we can find out loss percentage, and that we can find out with loss divided by cost price CP in multiplication with 100. So both of these formulas are same. You have to replace here profit with loss. Rest all terms will remain same. So this is the third formula in which we are finding out interest, and we need to know here term, rate, principal amount, and all these three will be divided by 100. So we will talk about this later when we will solve the numericals based on interest. Currently we are going to use these two formulas for this exercise. Exercise 8.3, question number 1. Gardening shares bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. So first we will see that whether this is a profit or loss. So our cost price here is 250 rupees and selling price is 325. Selling price is more compared to cost price, so this is a profit. Now we have to find out that how much is the profit, so we will subtract this. So 325 selling price, 250 is cost price. So once we will subtract this, we will get here 75, and this is going to be our profit. Now we have to find out profit percentage. So formula for that is we have to write profit divided by cost price, and this too will be in multiplication with 100. So our profit is 75. The cost price is 250, and that will be in multiplication with 100. So this 0 and this 0 we can cancel it out. 25 3s are 75. So 30 will be the profit percentage for this numerical. So there will be two answers for this numerical, and 75 rupees is a profit, and second answer will be the profit percentage will be 30%. For second numerical, a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold for rupees 13,500. So our cost price is 12,000 and selling price is 13,500. Selling price is more compared to cost price, so this is a profit. Now let us find out how much is a profit. So we have to subtract this two term. So once we will subtract, we will get here 1,500. So this is our selling price, cost price, and this much rupees is a profit from this transaction. Now we have to find out profit percentage. So profit percentage will be equals to profit divided by cost price in multiplication with 100. So our profit is 1,500, cost price is 12,000 in multiplication with 100. So this 30 we can cancel it out with this 30, and 150 divided by 12. So let us simplify this further. So 3 into 5, 15 in multiplication with 10 divided by 3 into 4. So 3 and 3 we can cancel it out. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 50. So 25 divided by 2. Let us divide this. So 25 divided by 2, we will get 2 ones are 2, 0, 5, 2 2s are 4. We will get 1 here. Now we are putting here decimal point, we will get here 5. We are putting here 0. 10 subtraction with 10, we will get 0 as a remainder, and our answer is 12.5. So our profit percentage is 12.5. So profit in rupees is 1500, and in terms of percentage 12.5% will be the profit. Numerical C. A cupboard bought for rupees 2500 and sold for rupees 3000. So our cost price here is 2500 and selling price is 3000. So selling price is more compared to cost price, so this is a profit. Now let us subtract this to find out how much will be the profit. So we will get 500 rupees as a profit. So profit percentage will be equals to profit divided by cost price in multiplication with 100. So our profit is 500 divided by cost price, so it is 2500 in multiplication with 100. So we can cancel out these two zeros. We got here 5 in multiplication with 100 divided by 25. So 25 4s are 100 and 5 into 4 will give us 20. So profit percentage is 20%. Our two answer is profit in terms of rupees is 500 rupees and percentage is 20%. Our numerical D. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 150. So our cost price is 250 and our selling price is 150. As we can see here, selling price is less compared to cost price. So this is a loss, and to find out how much is the loss, we have to subtract this. So 250 minus 150, we will get here 100 rupees. So 100 rupees will be the loss for this transaction. Now to find out how much will be the loss percentage, we have formula loss divided by cost price in multiplication with 100. Our loss is 100 rupees divided by cost price is 250 is in multiplication with 100. So 0 we can cancel it out over here, and 25 4s are 100. So 4 into 10 is 40. So loss percentage is 40%. So loss in terms of rupees is 100 rupees and in terms of percentage is 40%. Exercise 8.3, question number 2. Convert each part of the ratio to percentage. So here they have given us ratio and we have to convert this ratio to percentage. So let us first understand the concept for this numerical. They have given us ratio. Now when they are giving us ratio, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is they have given us total parts are 4. Out of this, one has 3 parts and another has 1 part. So these 3 parts are consist of the first term and another 1 part is consist of this second term. So 3:1, meaning there are total 4 parts. How we have written here 4 parts? 3 plus 1 equals to total 4 parts, out of which one has 3 parts and the other segment has 1 part. Now we have to find out percentage. So when 3 and 1, there are 2 different parts are there. For 3 parts, how many percentage will be there? And for 1 part, how many percentage will be there? Now this 2% should be equal to 100, because percentage will not be more than 100 or less than 100. So once we will find out the percentage from this part, those 2%, when we will add them, it should be equal to 100%. Now let us see how to solve this numerical. Let us start with the first numerical, that is 3:1. So first let us find out the total parts. Equals to 3 plus 1. So that is equals to 4. Now total is 4, out of which 1 part is 3. So to find out percentage, we are writing like this. 4 is 100%, because we know that 4 is the total parts. So 4 is 100%. Then 3 parts equals to how many percent? So this is a unitary method from which we can find out the percentage for 3 parts. So here 3 by 4 in multiplication with 100. So 4, 25 is 100. We will get here 25 into 3 is 70%. So 3 parts consist of 75%. Now for 1% you can either subtract this from 100, or we can find out through unitary method that 4 equals to 100%. Then 1 part equals to how much? So 1 into 100 in division 4. So 4, 25 is 100. So we will get here 25%. So either you can find out both via unitary method, or you can find out first and then the second part you can subtract it from the 100 and you will get the answer, that is 25%. This you can follow when there are only 2 parts. Our answer here is 3 parts equals to 75% and 1 part equals to 25%. Our second numerical, 2 parts is to 3 parts is to 5 parts. So there are 3 parts here and ratio is 2 is to 3 is to 5. So let us find out total parts here. Total parts equals to 2 plus 3 plus 5. So this will be equal to 10 parts in total. So 10 parts are 100%. So 2 consists of how many percent? So 2 into 100 in division 10. So the answer is 20% for first. Now we cannot subtract this from 100 because there are 3 parts. So we have to find out for second that 10 parts equals to 100. Then 3 parts consist of how many percentage? So 3 into 100 divided by 10. So this will give us 30%. Now 20% plus 30% will give us 50%. That 50% we can subtract from 100. So the third part will be 50%. That also we can do, or we can follow unitary method for the third one, that what will be the percentage for 5 parts. So 5 into 100 divided by 10. So it will give us 50%. So our answer here is 2 parts equals to 20%, 3 parts equals to 30%, and 5 parts equals to 50%. Numerical C, 1 is to 4. So total parts here are 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So total 5 parts are there. So 5 parts are 100%. Then for 1 part, how many percentage will be there? So 100 into 1 divided by 5. So 5 20s are 100. We will get here 20%. Now let us find out for the second, or we can do that 100 minus 20% will give us the percentage for the 4 parts, and that is 80%. Or we can follow unitary method again, that 5 parts are 100%. Then for 4 parts, what will be the percentage? So 100 into 4 divided by 5. So 5 20s are 100. We will get here 80%. So answer here. So our answer will be 1 part will be equal to 20% and 4 parts will be equals to 80%. Numerical D, that 1 is to 2 is to 5. So total parts are 1 plus 2 plus 5 will be equals to 8 parts in total. So 8 parts are 100%. So for one part, what will be the percentage? So 100 into 1 divided by 8. So 25 into 4 into 1 divided by 4 into 2. So 4 and 4 we can cancel it off. 25 divided by 2. So let us divide 25. So 25 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. We will get here 0, 5, 2 2s are 4. So we got here 1. We are keeping here decimal point and we are putting here 0. So 5, 2 5s are 10. So we got here 0 0 as remainder. So our answer here is 12.5%. Now for the second part, that 8 parts are 100%. Then for 2 part, what will be the percentage? So 2 into 100 divided by 8. So we will get here 2 into 25 into 4 divided by 4 into 2. So 4 and 2 we can cancel it off and we got here 25%. Now for the last part, 12%, 12.5% plus 25%, and the last part will be equal to 100%. So 12.5 plus 25 will give us 37.5 plus last part equals to 100. So last part equals to 100 minus 37.5. So we will get here last 5 parts will consist of 62.5%, and that will be our third answer. Or we can follow the unitary method for third part also. So our answer here will be one part equals to 12.5%, two parts will be equals to 25%, and 5 parts will be equals to 62.5%. Exercise 8.3, question number 3. The population of city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. So first, the population was 25,000. It has been decreased to 24,500. So once we will subtract this two, we will get to know that how many people were less when the population were decreased. So here we got 500 people less when the population was decreased. Now we have to find out percentage from this. Now to find percentage, we will use this formula, that loss divided by cost price into 100. So here in terms of this numerical, we can write that decrease in population divided by total population in multiplication with 100. So the loss percentage formula we have converted in terms of this numerical. So we will get to know here percentage. So percentage will be equals to 500 divided by total population is 25,000 in multiplication with 100. So this 0 we can cancel it off. Now we have 500 divided by 250. So this will give us 2. So 2% was the decrease in population. Exercise 8.3, question number 4. Arun bought a car for 3,50,000. The next year the price went up to 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? So let us first find out that how much price has been increased. So earlier it was 3,50,000. So this is original price, and 3,70,000 is increased price. So once we will subtract this two, we will get to know that how much price have been increased. So total 20,000 rupees price increased when the total price have been increased. Now we are going to find out the percentage. So for percentage we are going to find out, we are going to use profit formula. that percentage equals to profit divided by cost price into 100. So this formula we are converting as per this numerical, that increased price divided by original price in multiplication with 100. So equals to, we will get 20,000. That much price have been increased. Original price is 3,50,000. 100. So this 30 and this 30 we can cancel it off. Again, this 10 and this 10 we can cancel it off. So here we got 200 divided by 35. And when we will divide this, we will get, so when we will simplify this, we will get 2 into 10 in multiplication with 2 in multiplication with 2 into 5. So when we will simplify this, we will get 2 into 10 into 10 in division 7 into 5. So 5 2s are 10. So we got 40 divided by 7. So when we will divide this 40 with 7, we will get, so this we can convert it into mixed fraction. So our answer here is 5 by 7 percentage. So this much percentage the price has been increased. So our answer will be 5 by 7 percentage price increased. Exercise 8.3, question number 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get it for it? So here they have not given us amount, they have given us percentage. From percentage we have to find out amount. So cost price here is 10,000 and profit percentage is equals to 20%. So now our formula is profit percentage will be equal to profit divided by cost price in multiplication with 100. We do not know profit, but we do know the profit percentage. So that is 20. Profit we have to find out. Cost price we know that is 10,000 in multiplication with 100. So profit equal to 20 into 10,000 in division with 100. So this 20 and this 20 we can cancel it off. We will get here 2,000 as a profit. So profit is 2,000. And total money we will get it from this selling will be profit plus cost price. Money obtained from this selling will be profit plus cost price. So profit is 2,000 and cost price is 10,000. So total 12,000 we will get out of this. Exercise 8.3, question number 6. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? So here we have selling price, that is 13,500, and we have percentage for loss, that is 20%. But we do not have cost price, and because of that we do not have loss in terms of numbers. So without this we cannot use this formula, that percentage of loss equals to loss in division with CP in multiplication with 100. This formula we cannot use here. So we are doing it little differently. So here we are going to assume our cost price, and that is going to be 100. So let's assume our cost price, and that is going to be 100 rupees. If our cost price is 100 rupees, then 20% will be loss. So that is going to be 20 rupees. If 20 rupees will be the loss, then selling price will be 80 rupees. Selling price will be equals to 100 minus 20. So 80 rupees will be our selling price when we are assuming our cost price is 100 rupees. With this, we can find out selling price for this. With reference to this, we have set one reference for 20% loss. So this reference we are going to use for this numerical. So for example, if our cost price is 100 rupees, then our loss is 20 rupees and our selling price will be 80 rupees. So if our loss is 20 and our selling price will be 13,500, then what will be our cost price? So with this quantities, we can find out this quantity. This loss is common here, that is 2020. So we are not going to count this. So CP is going to be 100, then our selling price is 80. So if our selling price is 13,500, then what will be our cost price? So with this unitary method, we are going to find out what will be our cost price. So here 100 is in multiplication with 13,500 will be in division with 80. So this 0 and this 0 we can cancel it off. 25 4s are 100 and 4 2s are 8. So we got here 1350 in multiplication with 25 in division with 2. So 5 in multiplication with 2 will give us 1350. When we will multiply 675 with 25, we will get 16,875. So this will be our cost price for this washing machine. So 16,875 will be cost price. So that is 8.3. Question number 7. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio of 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in the chalk, and if stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of chalk stick? So let us answer first question, that we have 10:3:12. This ratio is for calcium, carbon and oxygen. This means there are 10 parts of calcium and 12 parts are of oxygen will be there into the chalk stick. Now we have to find out the percentage of carbon into the chalk stick. So let us first find out the total parts will be 10 plus 3 plus 12. So we will get here total 25 parts. Now if 25 parts will be there, that will be 100% for chalk stick. We have 3 parts for the carbon because we have to find out percentage of carbon in the chalk. So if 3 parts will be there, how many percentage will be there for the carbon? So 3 into 100 in division with 25. So 25 4s are 100 and we got here 3 into 4, 12%. So in a chalk stick 12% carbon will be there. Similarly, we can find out here percentage for calcium and oxygen, where we have written 3 parts. There we can write their respective parts and we can find out the percentage for calcium and oxygen. Now second question. If a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 gram. So in a full stick, 3 gram is carbon. So what will be the weight of chalk stick? So we know that carbon is 3 gram. So in a chalk stick, and carbon is 12%. We got this from earlier answer, what we have found out. So if 100% weight we are going to find out, then what will be the weight for a complete chalk stick? 100% will be a full chalk stick. So what will be the weight of the full chalk stick? 3 into 100 in division with 12. So let us simplify this. 3 into 4 into 25 in division with 3 into 4. So 3 and 4 will get cancelled off. We got here 25. So 25 gram will be the weight of chalk stick. Exercise 8.3, question number 8. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? So we have cost price here, that is rupees 275, and the loss percentage is 15%, and we have to find out selling price. So let us use this formula, that loss percentage will be equals to loss divided by cost price in multiplication with 100. So loss percentage is 15, loss we do not know, and cost price we know, that is 275 in multiplication with 100. So loss will be equal to 15 into 275 in division with 100. So 4125 in division with 100. So we got here 41.25 will be the loss for this transaction. Now to find out selling price will be equals to cost price minus loss. So our cost price is 275 and loss is 41.25. So our selling price will be 233.75. Question number 9. Find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. So let us take the first numerical. So here we are going to find out amount to be paid, and in this numerical we are going to use this formula, that I equals to P into R into T in division with 100. So I is interest, what we have to pay after taking the principal amount. So P is principal amount, R will be the rate, that will be always in percentage, and T will be term, that how many years, for how many years we have taken this amount. So once we will put all this information into this, we will get interest. So let us take the first numerical. So here the principal amount is 1200 rupees. 12% rate is there, so rate is 12%. 3 year will be the term, so term will be 3 years. So we have taken this amount for 3 years. We have to find out amount to be paid. So let us use this formula, I equals to PRT in division with 100. So principal amount is 1200, rate is 12%, term means we have taken it for 3 years, in division with 100. So this 20 and this 20 we can cancel it off. We get 12 into 12 into 3. So this is going to be 432. So this is our interest. When we are going to find out the amount to be paid, so amount to be paid will be equals to principal amount plus interest. Amount to be paid, what we have taken that, and along with that interest also we have to add. So principal plus interest, that is I. So principal amount is 1200 plus interest, that is 432. So when we will add this, we will get 1632 rupees. So in total 1632 rupees we have to pay at the end of term, and that is 3 years. For second numerical, here principal amount is 7500 is there, and rate for the interest will be 5%, and year as they have suggested here for 3 years, so term will be 3 years. So I equals to PRT in division with 100. Our principal amount is 7500, rate is 5 and term is 3 years, in division with 100. This 20 we can cancel it off. So we got here is 1125. So this is our interest. Now the amount to be paid will be equals to principal amount plus interest. So principal amount is 7,500 and interest is 1,125. So we got here 8,625 rupees in total. This much we have to paid. Exercise 8.3, question number 10. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? So let us note down all the details they have given us. So what rate? So first of all we have to find out the rate. Then rupees 280 as an interest. So interest will be equal to 280 rupees. We want this on the sum of, that means this is our principal amount. So P will be equal to 56,000 in 2 years. So our term will be 2 years. So they are asking that what rate we should fix so that we will get 280 rupees interest on the principal amount of 56,000 for 2 years. So let us write our formula that I equals to PRT in T in division with 100. So principal amount is 56,000. Rate we have to find out, and term will be 2 in division with 100. Interest we know that it is 280. So 280 in multiplication with 100 in division with 56,000 in multiplication with 2 equals to R. As we have changed the side for 56,000, 2 and 100. This both are in numerator, so they will go to denominator, and 100 is in denominator, so it will go to numerator. Now let us solve this term. So 30 will get cancelled with this 30. So we got here 28 in division with 56 into 2. We will get 28 2s are 56. So equals to 1 divided by 4 equals to R. Now we can keep this as it is, that 1 divided by 4%, or we can convert this into decimal like 1 in division with 4. So 1 is smaller than 4, so we can here put decimal point. So 4 2s are 8. So we got here 2. Now again we can put here 0. So 4 5s are 20. So we got remainder 0, and our answer is 0.25. So R equals to 0.25%. So when we will set a rate of 0.25%, we will get 280 rupees interest. Exercise 8.3, question number 11. If Meena gives an interest of rupees 45 for 1 year at 9% rate per annum, what is the sum she has borrowed? So we have to find out the sum, that is principal amount, that we have to find out. So interest is rupees 45. 1 year will be the term. So term will be equal to 1 year. Rate they have said that is 9%, and principal amount we have to find out. So I equals to PRT in division with 100. Interest we know it is 45. P we are going to find out. Rate is 9. Term is 1 year in division with 100. So P will be equal to 45 in multiplication with 100 in division 9. So 9 5s are 45. So 5 into 100 will give us 500. So principal amount is 500. So she has borrowed 500 rupees. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself.